I am Tammy Wisminity, and I'm a bearing repair technician. I rebuild industrial bearings, so bearings that are used in mining equipment, milling processes like pulp and paper mills, steel mills, large bearings. Anything could happen. It basically depends on our workflow. It can be from assessing bearings that come in to see what damage they've incurred, grinding raceways, rebuilding bearings, doing assessments, reading drawings and setting up equipment, measuring, a variety of tasks. I've always liked to work and I've liked to be outside, so I've done a variety of non-traditional jobs from farming to welding to machining to here. I was actually applying to take a class at SIEC and I got offered a position here in the bearing repair department, and the determining factor was I could learn something here that there's no school for. I love my job. I love what I do. I love that every day is different. I love that I work hard. I love the fact that I'm making stuff with my hands, that I do stuff that regular people can't do or even imagine doing. It's exciting, I think. I've got a grade 12 diploma, and I basically, with work experience, because I've had a variety of non-traditional jobs, like I spent 10 years on a farm, so I was running equipment, dealing with livestock, and then with welding. It was something I wanted to try and I wanted to learn, and I was willing to put in the work, and I wanted to learn something. I wanted to be taught, and I went and I did it. I applied myself. My boss just retired September 24th, and so now I've been working alone for a while, so I do everything in the shop. I have a new recruit who just started like 3 weeks ago. Most stuff that happens is because there's a need for it. We designed, with the help of a few members from this department, like from QA and from Standard Machine, a new type of dresser, which is a tool that sharpens your grinding wheel. We designed it, built it, and have installed it in the grinding machine that I run. There's people here with so many skills and so many ideas that we all came together and we made it happen. And I don't know if there's any other machine that has a dresser like it, but I could go so far as to say that I've got the only dresser in the world like it. And I don't know, it feels really good. Be teachable. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. A good thing to do is listen. Find an old guy on the shop floor that has all his fingers and has maybe 30 years, because you know he's been here, he's been smart, and he's got something to teach you. So be a fly on the wall and listen and observe and take as much from him as you can, because you'll go the farthest with somebody like that.